Hello friends, if you are working on PeoplePerHour, then this video is going to be very helpful. If you are someone who's just starting and you're looking to know how you can submit a project on PeoplePerHour, then please watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how exactly you can submit a project once you are done. Thanks a lot for watching. Welcome back. Now this is my PeoplePerHour profile and you can see that I am on the Freelancer activity page. You can also see that there are two projects right now on which I have submitted my bid. The first one was the article writing project. Let me open it in a new tab. And the second one is a professional descriptive writing. Now let me open this by clicking on it. Now the article writing project did not move forward as of now because the buyer has not said anything. I sent a proposal long back, but the buyer has kept the project open and has not awarded that project to anyone else. You can see it here. The second project that I had is actually awarded to me and I'm done with the work as well. Now I'm going to submit it. So I'm going to show you how exactly you can submit a project once you are done with it. Now from here, I'll just go back to the Freelancer activity zone and I'll land up to the previous page. Here I'll click on view progress. Now when I click on view progress, I'll see my bid, okay, and then I'll see all the progress that I've made on this project. You can see here that the bid was for $65 and it is accepted, okay, and here are some messages which went to and fro from the buyer and me, okay, and he has put some money in the escrow account as well. Now that I am done with the project, I'm going to send the file here through this send message option and I'm going to raise an invoice using this button here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to send the project delivery or deliver the project. So here I'll write it should be in the future as well, okay. So this is a text that I'm writing along with my delivery because it is very important. When you are delivering something, you must tell the buyer that you are waiting for his rating and review, okay, and it is going to help you in your career. So I've already written that and I'm going to attach the file now. So click on this button here, attach files, then I can drop the files here, or I can browse, or I can import from portfolio. The file is not there on my portfolio, so I cannot import it right now. I can either drop the file here or I can click on browse. So I'll click on browse and browse to the file where it is. Now I've added the file and it is attached here. So you can see shortstory.docx. So that's the file that I have attached. Then I'm going to come here and click on send. Now my delivery is actually sent here. You can see the message and the confirmation on the top. The next thing that I'm going to do is to raise invoice and complete the delivery. So click here and it will open the new invoice on the bottom, okay. Then I'll just select whatever it was. So it was fixed, so I'm not going to change it. In the description, I'm going to write the exact name of the project, okay. So I'll go up and copy this with the number. I'll just copy this and again come down and I'm going to paste as plain text, okay. So I've pasted it here. Then I'll write the fixed cost, which was $65. This is the amount that was agreed upon. Then I'm going to select the date. It was just yesterday, so 30th to 31st, okay. That was the time period. You can see here it's written 30th to 31st. and everything else is there. Includes tax information you do not have to paste because it is only for people from the US. Okay, and then you can click on this. It says I confirm that I have completed the work related to this invoice and provided it to the buyer in the work stream. So whatever you can see here is your work stream. Okay, so you have to just confirm it by clicking on this checkbox, and then you can click on send. Once you have sent it, you can see the message here. Your message has been successfully sent, and you can see that new invoice is generated. It says in escrow it already has $48.75 and rest balance is $16.25. This the buyer must pay before he can approve this invoice. Okay, so this is how you submit a project once it is done on PeoplePerHour. Now the ball is in the buyer's court and he's going to approve this invoice and pay the remaining dollars. So that's all I have in this video. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a like and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I'm sure there are a lot of people who want to know how exactly you can submit a project once you are done. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe because I create this kind of videos very regularly. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.